Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add lighting to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to get this video here. Go to the adjustment section. You can add some lighting here and exposure, and as well as like brilliance here, as well as the whites one. You can add in a little bit of color as well here for that some light. You can also overlay like a white screen, but it's not like the best method to add light. So go to video, go back to basic, and then blend mode, select overlay. Adjust the opacity a little bit so it doesn't look like this. Another way is to add the relight one, which is a pro feature. Just select the one you want. There is facial, ambient, creative, and you can make your own here. You can't really see a big difference. Maybe in this one you can kind of adjust the intensity of it and the radius and distance. It doesn't show that much. Oh, there we go. In distance you can kind of clearly see it. And as you can see, it created some light effect. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.